make a quick babaganoush for you, and this is easy. And if you don't have a gas stove, don't panic. Just shove it all in the oven on a tray. So seriously, this is what we want. We want colour. We want full amounts of colour. In other words, yeah, we want to burn the shit out of it, really. For the place to kind of go a bit smoky, right? And I want it to burn, not the whole of all the skin, but as I'm looking now, it's starting to burn there. See that? Okay, we are done and dusted. So 30 minutes into the oven to cook them all the way through, because look here, this is quite hard. And you want that to be fully cooked, even at the ends here is quite hard. Boom! Oh, I just couldn't resist, Vera. I couldn't resist. Oh my goodness, the house is certainly heated up. Oh, there's a bit of hot flush in my face then. These are really hot. So cooling that down for a good 20-30 minutes, to be honest, and then we'll get into the next point. Very exciting, very exciting. Okay, so you're gonna pick up this very, 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 very soft eggplant and go straight into the food processor. And then I want 1 garlic clove, and I'm gonna grate it actually. Tahini, and I like a good couple of tablespoons, to be honest. And then around about, I don't know, half a teaspoon of cumin. Just a little. Salt and pepper. It's a definite must. Good splash of pepper actually in this. And now we're going to whiz this. It's completely up to you. Then have another look. Have a taste. Oh yeah. And this is a really simple way to present a very, very common dish out there in the world, especially on YouTube. My God, there's babaganoush everywhere. Just to make it look really pretty and just delicious. Imagine your friends coming over and you present them with something like that. And those little pools of oil, oh, it just brings it home. Welcome to queso. It is normally full of cheese and crap and shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, it is. The recipes that I've seen online are not what we're doing today. We're doing something a little bit different. And we're using ingredients that are close to nature intended it to be, with low human interference, which is super cool, meaning plants, in its preferably whole form. I'm having a moment today and it's so good. Garlic powder and onion powder are concentrated, and they're awesome because it brings a depth of flavour, even though I'm using fresh garlic as well. Garlic just goes straight in. Smoky paprika. And my onion and garlic powder. Add a couple of these in, just for flavour, just like about 10 is a tamper. So I can push everything down, and I've got my water on tap ready, and there's no salt and pepper in there yet. So I'm going to start on low, build it up, and just listen to how this machine operates. pasty that is, right? Super pasty, so you want it to be quite smooth and creamy. All right, let's go people. And I want it to be a little bit thinner. And this is where you add a little bit more water. Okay. This is looking great. This is when you put salt and pepper in there. Oh my God, it's actually really good. And you can put as much paprika in there as you like, actually. If you want more, put more in. If you've got some smoke drops, put that in. And if you want some more heat, put some more jalapenos in. So I'm just gonna put another small handful of jalapenos. There's like 20 jalapenos in there, and they're not hot at all, right? They're just gorgeous. And you're gonna keep blending. Cool. Oh my God, it's really good. Okay, now we're gonna put it in a bowl. Okay, straight into here. So just make it level, all right? Just gonna scatter them on the table just like that. And then we're gonna just kind of scatter this around. How cool is this? It's so cool. I'm like excited to eat this too. And then a few of this green in there. Actually, I'm salivating. This is us. We're out of here. This is one of the best, yummiest little moments, I think. So this bean dip is so simple and so delicious and can last in the fridge for up to a week. It's amazing. So this is what you're gonna need. Hot pan, a little bit of oil. Onion and garlic. In goes the beans. Then the miso paste. Nothing's sticking, nothing's browning. It's a medium heat, medium to high heat. 3 minutes is up. You can add some parsley, some of those spring onions. Stir it through. And then lastly, you can add your Dijon mustard and you're going to turn off the heat. Stir that through. Straight into the food processor. About, I don't know, 8 seconds. This is when you have a taste. Have a look at this. Delicious, creamy dip. Yum. It's so good. And what's really great about this, check this out. It's still hot, it's okay, don't panic. Go straight into a glass jar. Just a splash of oil. And I'm just gonna roll that oil around so it coats it. Then I'm gonna use the rest of those spring onions on there. Just a little bit more oil. Yum.
Ooh, yummy.
So good.
So good.